Hi everyone, it's JeanneMarie with Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel. Today I am doing I was going to do a ribbon pour, but I think what I'm going to do is a traveling tree ring pour with leftover paint. The only paint, here's the cup. I'm putting on my gloves now. It's right here. It has got, oh my, it's got like magentas and, oh, what is that other one that I love? Here's all the containers. It's got like an eggplant purple, two different shades of blues, and, oh, what is that one that I love so much? It's a deeper color. I can't think of it. It's a darker pink one in here. I need to throw this away before I get it everywhere. I just wanted to show you how many containers I have. And I still got some more of the blue over here. So, let me wipe off my fingers here. And we'll get started. Now this is a 10 by 20 level 1 Artist Love canvas. It is taped on the back and push pins. I've got my what do you call it, wax paper down, ready to go. And we got a bead cup here. I still sort of want to do a ribbon pour. It is such an unusual different colors. Actually, I did add one color. The only color I added out of the bottle was this blue pearl, which is folk art blue pearl metallic. And I added that because I had a dark blue in it, and I wanted a light blue too. So that's the only color I added to that mix of colors. Maybe we'll get lucky. All right. So my instinct is a ribbon pour. Maybe I should just go with my instinct. I think I will. I only have one cup. I'm not putting any base coat down. Look at that mix. A lot of blue in there. Let's do it. Alright, I'm glad I left it. It's very pretty. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think down in the comments of whether I should have poured that pink off or left it. I really want to know what your opinion is. Thanks for joining me. God bless, be safe, and be happy, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye now.